think that there's a responsibility for men to look after reproductive health care because it's an issue that affects all people, not just women.
I think the more they are involved, the more they do advocate for women's rights and women's choices, the more that society can see that this just isn't a women's issue. This is an issue that impacts everyone.
I don't know what opportunities there are for reproductive health activities on campus. I've never heard about anything, and I don't know what it really means.
I think that it's taboo, honestly. I think that it's something that people are embarrassed to talk about, and also one of those things where some people just frankly don't think it's important.
I think what it ultimately comes down to is male privilege, and that, first of all, it's okay for men to say things outright that say that women should be the ones that just exclusively have to think about reproductive health, and even the men who think that that it is partly men's role have the privilege of not following through or not thinking about it or not really or slipping up sometimes.
Big one.
I guess men should be responsible in getting tested and also using protection when they have sex. And so I think it's a man's responsibility to carry condoms with him and be sure that he's prepared.
Especially men-to-men education is remarkably effective in reproductive health. So making them educators of their own communities and making them role models for younger men is, I think, one of the best ways that men can get involved in the movement.
In terms of feminism, I think that men can be feminists and they can be excellent feminists and excellent feminist allies. Men can listen, they can act, they can help, they can speak with us.
Men obviously can do advocacy. Men can, be vocal advocates for, women, for men themselves, and, just try to spread the message of, comprehensive sexual education, sexual health practices, safe sex, etc., so that it's not a female exclusive or female dominated, thing to discuss.